Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add a announcement to your call. So basically iPhone has this feature where if someone is calling you, you can add a announcement. So basically, for example, if your dad is calling you, so the iPhone narrator will say incoming call dad, something like that. So how do you turn this feature on? Usually you need this when you're kind of occupied and you want to prioritize something. So first of all, you guys need to make sure that you have a SIM inserted in your iPhone, because without the SIM being in your iPhone, this option will not be available, and that is exactly why I'm using another iPhone today. So we go to our settings, and let me just delete this and go to settings, and now you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna find phone here. Right now, if you do not have a SIM option, it will you do not have a SIM inserted, it will be grayed out and you won't be able to get inside. So I go to my phone, and now you see below incoming calls there's this announce calls. So now you can change this according to yourself, your whatever you have in mind. You can press always, and then it says always announce incoming calls. So it also says that you can answer a call without saying hey Siri. So now you can either make it on always, but that does not seem appropriate, but you can do it for headphones only, headphones in the car. So basically when you're in the car connected to the aux or something, Bluetooth, it will announce the call for you, and that is a good way for you to focus on the road and still be driving, and you would know that who is calling, so you can pick the call, and you can always park on the side and listen to the call. So it's a good feature, and you can customize it however you want. So that is how you announce calls on iPhone, and this option is available in iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's available in all iPhones, even the older ones. This right now is an iPhone 7 and it's available here. It's definitely available in 6 and 5. And so yeah, so that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.